Okey doke. Promise you guys a full video on the single cab Stepside Cheyenne Super 10. Tristan, what year is this on the paperwork? Come on.
Is it 80s?
No, you just did the paperwork. All right, Tristan's gonna have to get a little better. This truck came from our good friend and good customer, Tracy Burgess. If you haven't already watched the other video, might be a spoiler alert on that, but Tracy Burgess, great customer, coming up on 23 or 24 truck builds / purchases and sales with us. So a very long-term customer and definitely at the top of the list as far as amount of vehicles purchased outside of a commercial company. He dropped this truck off a while back to Daniel. Him and Daniel hashed over the idea. He wanted to be the first on the Holy Grail 15x16 wheel, and he was. So we'll start off there. That is a 15x16 DOR Holy Grail wheel. And deep offset. And when you build these trucks, you want we do anyway, we want the tire to kind of split. So if you look at it from dead on the back or dead on the front, you want it to be almost like the split of the bogger is at the edge of the truck. So that to us seems to be the best, most popular look there is. This truck has it. 8-inch kit, all spring front and rear. Now Tracy always wants to be a bit different every single time. So we always try to fulfill that need. And on this particular truck, he wanted to double up the shocks. He's had trucks that have got triple shocks, quadruple shocks. He had 4 steering stabilizers on a truck we did for him. Heck, we did that truck 15 years ago, and it was a square body. He asked for it, and we did it. But this one, we went a little different with the Fox shock, and we actually did one with a reservoir. So it actually has the reservoir mounted custom in the front and the back, just to give it a little extra pizzazz. And Tracy goes around. He likes to use, he's a trucker at heart, tractor trailer driver. So he loves the little caps and covers and all the little attention to detail things. Now this truck's a little unusual because it actually has a sway bar instead of a track bar with crossover steering. Nothing wrong with that, just a little different approach versus the Davis Off-Road steering and track bar combination. But the truck already had a few things on it. He stuck with those when Daniel and them did the stuff up at the shop. Basically a mild and or stock small block under the hood. So if you really want this thing to breathe fire, it would need a little more HP. 4-speed manual transmission and a very solid truck. You look up in the fender wells, supposedly the previous owner was a body and paint guy. The body and paint is beautiful on this truck. Very, very few imperfections, a couple little rock chips, but not many because the lift and everything is fresh. Less than 100 miles, according to him. Still got the nubs on the tires since everything was put on it. Interior, very well done. And like with any of these trucks, we will try to come along with the process of things. I drove it from across the street over here this morning before David got a chance. He'll get on it tomorrow. But I did notice that I think it was the voltage gauge wasn't working quite properly and the gas gauge was kind of jumpy. So we'll try to look at those things going forward and get those addressed as part of the deal if it all works out in timely manner. Lots of stainless hardware on the bed. You can see the bed was definitely disassembled when it was sprayed. Looks good underneath. The frame's clean. Trista missed this because she's not quite tall enough to look in here, nor does she know to, but go ahead and show them inside. The bed floor is finished real nice. You could give it a light scuff and maybe some clear coat if you really wanted to pop a lot, but it looks good. It's definitely nicely refinished boards. Usually they use oak. My dad would actually have been able to look at that and tell you exactly what it is. He might even be able to tell you how old the tree was. He was good with trees and wilderness stuff. He could look at every single one and know what the leaf was and everything. Kind of wish I'd paid more attention because that's one thing I do regret. Visors, got the stainless visors, got the moon visor on the roof or the windshield visor, bug shield, billet grill, chrome differential covers, dual steering stabilizers, got the bumperettes up front. Really cool truck. Oh, forgot one thing. Most of you guys will love it. Well, it's got the car steps. Look at that back window. Just what's that? What is that? Come on.
I don't know.
What do you think it is?
I don't know.
What does it look like it would be?
I don't know.
Gun rack. Come on now. These different generational people, man. If you didn't have a gun rack in the back of your truck when I was a kid, even still driving to school, I probably was at the end of that trend. But having a gun rack in the back of your truck nowadays, whoo, you'd probably get in trouble for having a rack, much less having a gun. But I mean, what if you got off school and you want to go hunting? I mean, guess you shouldn't carry a gun to school. But anyway, while we're out here, a couple other things. You may or may not have seen this one, but I don't think AJ touched underneath of it. But while we're here, just want you guys to see. Look underneath that bad boy. What a super freaking clean truck. Now this one is sold, spoken for. Going to Davis Off-Road for all the mods, steps, steering, track bar, all the goodies, more lift, Davis Off-Road wheels. But what a good looking truck. Just had to walk past it, at least show you guys the underside. I was doing a video for the guy that's buying it earlier, and literally my reflection was like clear on the frame. Hey, it was pretty wild. The light was hitting it just right. Big OBS. I did quickly check that over and got it in the system. Big FTS kit. I'll do a full video of that one in the next few days once it's cleaned up and fresh and ready to go and through the shop. And then my man here with an excellent V3500. Great customer. Actually now it's one of 4 purchases. He's getting ready to relocate and consolidate some things, and he had some cool toys. This is one that we did for him not long ago, within probably the last year, but it was everything he wanted to have as a driver. And this man's got nice stuff like brand new Escalade and Tahoe and pickups and Duramaxes and you name it. But he said, yeah, I want a square to drive. What better than a factory 454 V3500? He still could pull a trailer with it. Even though he said he wasn't going to mess with it, he did immediately take it and have Brian and Daniel put the 4-inch kit, 35s, 10-inch wheels, wheel spacer in the back. That truck's got working factory AC, which is excellent, and it is an 87 factory big block 1-ton. Well, and then we do have an F-150. If you guys want something inexpensive, it's a $20,000 truck. Beautiful pearl white. Got to run through the shop with Michelin tires. Good looking truck. I test drove it. It was a trade-in at the new car dealership. Checks out well. We'll run through the shop over the next few days, get it washed, get it online. Trista, reminder to get it online. Process the paperwork. Do you know the year of this one? Nope. Trista just sees paperwork and numbers. She doesn't see anything else. She doesn't understand which parts go with which. So for now, this vehicle is not for sale. All right, I don't know where we left off, but the phone got hot. Trista got hot, so everything shut down. But I was showing you guys this as it arrived. This truck just came in the parking lot. 2018 Ford F-150. It's going to be around 20 grand. Pending service and inspection. We got to get it serviced and inspected. But it is a 2018 with 168,000 miles, and it is a Lariat, and it is a sunroof, and it is loaded. It is pearl white. It is a Ford. You square body guys won't care. Michelin tires. Nice truck. I mean, a great runaround truck. Just had a man in here looking for this exact truck, but in a Chevrolet. It's not. So, unfortunately, it's Ford. But great truck. Nevertheless, we'll go through the shop with flying colors because I test drove it. Everything checked out good, felt good, shifted good. So, if you are looking for a less expensive truck, again, just depends on the final service cost, but pretty much around 20 grand. Alvin has got a red rollback ready. People are on their way from Missouri. Should be here any time now to pick that up. Got a customer flying in for one in the morning. Alvin's getting another one ready that we got to transport halfway, I think, we're going to Atlanta, Georgia. So it's halfway point for the customer. I don't know where he's coming from. And then we got these others to check in. So hope you guys love the Cheyenne Super 10 square body Stepside, because we sure do. And it definitely looks the part, runs the part, Won a trophy. Oh, a couple more things. Won a trophy at the event this weekend. Okay, we sure needed that. Yes, sir. All right, there's TJ. Wave, TJ. It also has the off-road design, greasable fittings on the shackles, proper front drive shaft. I think I mentioned the steps. And this truck did win an award at the show this weekend at the four-wheel drive Jamboree. So pretty cool, award-winning truck at a big show. So nothing wrong with that whatsoever. And it's going to make somebody a great truck. $49,995. Y'all always ask the price. It's $49,995. And there's a $298 processing fee. And if you guys do want us to deliver it, we can deliver it. Just depends on where you're at. Typically, it's about $1 a mile. The further west you go, the less it gets. We got a truck coming from coast to coast right now. It's about $2,000, even though it's about 3,000 miles. So that rule of thumb changes a little bit. We're happy to help you, and you just pay those guys directly. We don't mark it up like a lot of places do. They try to make every ass dime off of you. We do not buy the truck. We'll help you with the transport. Price is going to be firm on this truck because of the fact it's a lot of money invested into it. It is a great deal for what it is. It is a clean truck. You pop a big block under the hood or something crazy, or just enjoy it the way it is. But blue, square body, online. Trista will put the year, since she was not sure, and I'm trying to make her accountable. She'll put the year in the description. I know what it is, but I want her to know. And she'll put it in there, footnote it, and let us know if we can help you guys out. It is Tuesday. Thanks a lot.